This simulation is the life cycle of a plant. One of the nice things about this site is it really keeps it in steps. It gives more information for students, so let's go in and take a look. So it gives directions here. Most students will just naturally, with whether they can read the information or not, will begin to explore, and the website is very good about not letting you make a mistake. It helps to correct. So we go back again. And then it gives them some more information. When you're doing this, I really recommend that they completely take all the pieces apart, because it lets them see into the inside of the flower. This would be an excellent activity to use to prepare them for the dissection of a real flower and to understand the parts. I'm going to pause and finish this so you can see the next step. So you can see I've completely taken apart or dissected the flower, and now they're asking you to click on the magnifying glass. One of the things you could have students do while they're doing this is make sketches in their science notebook of these different parts, so when you get to dissecting a real flower, they can be looking for those parts. I especially like the magnifying glass because it gives more detailed information. While some students may not be able to read this, they could work in partners, or this could be done whole group with a smart board for the class. And now then we go into labeling, and here they label the parts of the flower. Again, if you do not put it in the right spot, the word goes back. This is an activity that students can repeat and gives them more practice with the parts of the flower. It's easy for students to use. It's very age appropriate for second graders. It's related to my science content in that it supports the NGS standard of life cycle, or life science rather, where they look at the structures of the plant and the pollen or seeds and how the life cycle is carried out, because eventually they'll make a model of how pollination happens between animals and plants. So they'll look at structure and function. With this activity, it helps students to have a more concrete idea of the plant life cycle and how it works.